Destiny. Look at the little play budgies. This one's your color. Look. It looks like you. What the heck is that? Look, it's little Destiny. It's her first time meeting this new toy. I want to see her reaction. Oh, it makes little noises, little gurgles. The wing. Look, a little Destiny. She's like, what is that? Little Destiny. Stop it. You're terminated. Chevy. Hear the noises she's making? Here, I'll put it here. Sorry about that. Here's your Budgie bird. Hi, Chevy. Here it is. Go see the Budgie. No. Oh, your servant removed it from you. The heck is that? Put it up to her, see if she'll kiss it. Hi, Destiny. I'm smart. Oh. Not good. Not good. That's not setting any good examples. Okay, Destiny, see the pretty bird? It's you, little Destiny. I'm little Destiny, and I'm little. We're traumatizing that poor bird. Take her breath. That's her angry noise. That's that. You're teasing her. Okay, no more little bird for Destiny. Out comes the little Destiny. Oh, maybe not. But if we replace little Destiny with big boyfriend, what type of reaction do we get? Yeah, this is what we get. On goes boyfriend. Give him heck right now because it's